How to find Telegram channels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account, and also make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device. So here what you need to do is just tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here tap on the channels section and then search for the channel that you're looking for. So just type the name of the channel that you're looking for. Like for example, I'm going to search over here, and as you type in, you can just search for the required or the channel that you want to find. So here if I can tap on it, and there you go, you have found the Telegram channel that you wanted to find. So that's it, you just have to tap on join and you'll be able to join this channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.